Hello, chemistry students. To start off today, we're going to learn about the kinetic molecular theory of matter. And one of the first things that I wanted to talk about is concentration. We often talk about the concentration of a substance in chemistry, which sort of refers to its strength. And so to explore this a little bit more, what I've done is I've heated up some water in 2 mugs, and what I am first going to do is take this measured amount of sugar. I put about 5 teaspoons in here, and I'm going to go ahead and dump it into mug number 1 of warm water. And then I'm going to take my second mug of warm water and just trying to figure out where to go. Dump my second measure, about 1 teaspoon of sugar, into mug number 2. And next, I'm going to give it a little bit of a stir. Um, there we go. That what I'm stirring right now is the one that I put the 5 teaspoons of sugar in. And in the other one, I am stirring the 1 teaspoon of sugar. And actually, the 1 teaspoon of sugar is almost gone. It's a little bit difficult for me to show it to you, but I'll go ahead and try. Um, if we look at the bottoms of the mugs, maybe, you can probably not see very well, but the mug that I have here that I put 5 teaspoons in still has a little bit more at the bottom. So I'm going to give it a little bit more of a stir here. Um, so you see, by stirring the sugar that was left at the bottom of my mug, I'm kind of moving those sugar molecules around so that they have more contact with the water molecules, and the water molecules can pull the sugar molecules apart so that they're not so much in a clump. Okay, I think that we are ready. And so what I'm going to do is taste each one. So I'm going to first taste the one that had 1 teaspoon of sugar in it. And I can taste that there's some sugar, that it's a little bit sweet. Let's see what the other one tastes like. That one is a lot sweeter, and considering I don't even put sugar in my coffee, woo, that is a lot of sugar. All right, I'm going to pause this and I'm going to change the screen so that we can look at our pre-lab questions for the lab molecular commotion. Okay, everyone, so I've pulled up the molecular commotion pre-lab questions. And letter A says describe the physical characteristics of the contents of the mug. And basically, I just wrote that it took longer for 5 teaspoons to dissolve than it took for 1 teaspoon to dissolve, but both of them were clear. Letter B is asking why is there a difference in how the contents of the mug tastes? Um, and